Hey guys, so this is the portable RC device from Temu I got. So this is I think this is a Lamborghini Sian remote control RC car. It does very well. So if you are actually trying to recall or trying to remember, the last video I did was on regarding the remote control devices or like RC devices, was on the RC Helicopter super speed. That one was got on JUMIA as well. But this is another kind of video that does like an unboxing regarding to remote control devices and remote control appliances and let's say toys. This one comes with a remote, as you can see. It comes with a remote. It comes with the remote control. It comes with the RC car itself, but it doesn't include the battery. So I got some Tiger batteries for you guys to see and check how it performs. As you see, moving. I'm going to do some like test videos like driving front and back. Although I'm going to advise you during my comments, like I left a review on the Temu channel, on the Temu website, the shop I purchased this on, and the review was mostly talking about how people mostly misuse this device and how you can be able to take and get the best of it. So I mostly use a 1.5 volt AA, like AAA batteries to power this as well. I'm going to show you. I did that at the beginning of the unboxing, as you have seen, but I'm going to go further in what I'm talking about in that video, in those beginning. So what I mean is that once you use AAA batteries, that is 1.5 volt max in regarding to like those that refers to like Duracell, the envelope, and those rechargeable ones. They are very good in holding a constant power, and they're also rechargeable, so they give it a little bit of boost and edge in it. Most of you that also in the comment section, they thought that this RC doesn't actually does well in drifting, but I'm going to surprise you that this is really also a very good RC for drifting and also doing different types of stunts. Although it doesn't really work pretty well on sand and hard surfaces, but the drift even performs very well once the voltage of the battery and the speed limit is increased. So make sure you keep that intact. Keep that intact for those that are kids that are aspiring to buy it, or people that are also tech lovers that need to get this RC device. Make sure you have to get correct battery to give it speed. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.